Mainly lymphatic spread occurs. Mainly lymphatic spread occurs. Okay? Next statement. In sarcomas, exclusively hematogenous spread. Exclusive. After that, another basic question. It's very easy to remember the risk factors. Very easy. Simple question. You must be knowing carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma. तो आप बताइए स्क्वामस सेल कार्सिनोमा और एडिनोकार्सिनोमा में which one is more common in? पहले question. Which one is more common in low socioeconomic status and common in high socioeconomic status? First, in low socioeconomic status, tell me. Okay, so how many for squamous in low socioeconomic majority, and how many for adeno in low socioeconomic status? In low and adeno in high. क्यों? देखिए वेरी गुड. लो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस और हाई सोशियो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस में क्या डिफरेंस होता है आप लोग बताइए. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? लो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस, व्हाट्स द बेसिक डिफरेंस? यस, फर्स्ट पर्सनल हाइजीन. यस और नो? लीस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. और आप इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस की लेडीज को देख लीजिए, नेल से लेके नीचे से लेके सब कुछ एकदम राइट. So they are very much bothered about hygiene, personal hygiene. आप शाहरुख के वॉशरूम में चले जाइए, गो टू वॉशरूम आप शाहरुख खान. ये हॉल से बड़ा वॉशरूम होगा. इंडियन स्टाइल है, इटालियन स्टाइल है, वेस्टर्न स्टाइल है, जो यूज करना है यूज करिए. ब्यूटीफुल स्मेल विल बी देयर, लॉट्स ऑफ टॉवल्स विल बी देयर. ऐसा लगेगा एक बिछा के यहीं सो जाए. क्लियर? बट व्हाट अबाउट द लो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस पीपल वॉशरूम? जैसे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का वॉशरूम होता है. Yes or no? Government's washroom. Yes. If you want to use that, first you have to close your nose. Yes or no? And you cannot stay there for more than 3 minutes. Because if you are going to stay there for more than 3 minutes, you will develop septic shock. So first difference what? Personal hygiene. Second difference. Because of poor personal hygiene, the people belonging to low socioeconomic status, they have one viral infection. And this viral infection is a risk factor for most of the squamous cell carcinoma. Tell me the name. Coronavirus name. Which virus, which is the risk factor for C? Esophagus, carcinoma anal canals, cervix, carcinoma penis. Tell me. Okay. So because of this poor personal hygiene and multiple partners, what happens? There is HPV infection. ठीक है. Third, if you belong to high socioeconomic status, what they eat? High fat items. And the people belonging to low socioeconomic status, generally they can't afford fat. या फाइबर्स. ठीक है. अब आपने देखा कि जैसे गाँव में आपने देखा होगा कि अब भूख लगी, लो सोशियोइकोनॉमिक स्टेटस का आदमी ऐसा खेत में गया तो खेती, there is carrot, there is radish, whatever the thing is available, they are going to eat that. Fruits से वो खा लें. Clear? तो high social fat diet है और high fat diet usually एक risk factor है किसके लिए? Adenocarcinoma. बेसिक चीज आपका क्लियर हो गया कि generally in low socioeconomic status which malignancy is called squamous and high socioeconomic status. Clear? Yes, good diet. Adenocarcinoma. It means the risk factors will be revolving around for breast cancer. Cancer. First, at one age. Second, origin. मतलब वो कहाँ रहती है फीमेल? यस, वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज। वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज। थर्ड, high fat diet, and if she takes high fat diet, it can lead to obesity. Fourth, high socio-economic status. Now you tell me, if the female belongs to high socio-economic status, she must be taking. It's written. What else she must be taking? Alcohol. What is the relation between? So what is the relation between high socio-economic? After that, state of hyperestrogenemia. State of hyperestrogenemia. Okay. So what are the states of hyperestrogenemia? Very good. Early menarche, late menopause. Early menarche, late menopause. Very good. Late menopause, nulliparity, and late first full-term pregnancy. Late first full-term pregnancy. Clear? Now can you see, even this also belongs to high socio-economic status. You tell me, people in high socio-economic status, what's the age of marriage? 30 years. Aishwarya got married at what age? Aishwarya Rai? 34 and 14. 34. Clear? Okay, दूसरा, how many kids they have? People belonging to high socio-economic. Aishwarya, क्योंकि हम ideal couple मान सकते हैं, couple of India. So generally, in high socio-economic status, how many kids they have? Usually, see.
1.
0. By mistake. 1. Rarely. 2. Never. Simple. अब दूसरा question. What's the age of marriage in low socio-economic status? Very good. So it's very good. Any age after birth. Any age. Clear? Second question. How many? You ask them one question. How many kids you have? तो सोच में पड़ जाता है. And he starts counting this. And then he is going to release the last one is coming soon. So if you look at the risk factors, can you see all these? So even this also belongs to high socio-economic status and revolves around what? High socio-economic status. Right? After that, positive family history. Positive family history. Clear? After that, you must be knowing genetic mutation. Which mutation? BRCA1, BRCA2. Okay? So it's BRCA1, BRCA2. And one Hollywood actress. Angelina Jolie. So her aunt was having breast cancer and Angelina was having BRCA1 mutation. So one simple question. BRCA1 mutation, BRCA2 mutation, both of these are responsible for breast cancer in both males and females. Both mutations responsible for breast cancer in both males and females. Like in question, one is mainly responsible for females and out of this one is mainly responsible for males. तो कौन सा females के लिए BRCA1 mainly for females क्यों? One females के लिए क्यों? Ladies first. Ladies first. That's why BRCA1 mainly for females, BRCA2 mainly for males. So BRCA1 mainly for females, and BRCA2 it's mainly, be careful, it's mainly not exclusively. मतलब दोनों में मेल्स फीमेल्स में दोनों रिस्क बढ़ा देता है, but one mainly for females, two mainly for males. After that, personal history of malignancy. Personal history of malignancy. Question: which malignancy in females? जो males का नहीं होगा obviously. One is breast cancer, males का होगा. Ovarian cancer, cervical, these are endometrial. Out of these three, only two increases the risk. Which two increases the risk? Cervical doesn't. Why? You told me just now. Doesn't increase the risk. Why? Why?
Why we have the vaccine?
Why? Yes, squamous cell carcinoma, and it is more common in low social. Ovarian cancer and endometrial क्या है? Adenocarcinoma. And these are more common in high social consequences. Got it? So which two? Only two, not all. So it's the ovarian cancer and endometrial cancer. It's the ovarian cancer and endometrial cancer. Clear? After that, hormone replacement therapy. Hormone replacement. After that, history of therapeutic radiation exposure. Therapeutic radiation exposure. Okay? Very important point, OCPs and smoking. These are not significant risk factor. These are not significant risk factor for breast cancer. Okay? Certain books says that there is borderline risk. Borderline, तो हम उसको improve नहीं कर रहे हैं क्या? Not the significant risk factor for breast cancer. And very important point, breastfeeding. Breastfeeding, it's protective for breast. It's protective for breast cancer. Okay, simple. So this is related to the risk factors. For basic understanding, हम लोग थोड़ा सा discuss करते हैं off the topic. Okay. Generally, I have seen that most of the students are confused in remembering the classification याद करने में मुश्किल. One thing, that surgery is a very easy subject. It's very